Puso sa nasab ka proud Mindanawan ang i-champion sa baguhay lamang nga Search for Power Belter Champion Singing Competition. Atong makauban this morning si Ken Alicaway. Good morning, Ken, and welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Of course, congratulations. Kamusta ka?
Hello, Attorney Resi. Good morning. So far, it's getting better actually. Daghan mga panghitabo and daghan pud blessing. And thank you so much for having me diri sa At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Grabe, very proud ang buong Mindanao para sa iyo. How was your experience in the recently concluded competition? I-share mo naman sa amin yung highlights ng experience mo.
Wow. Thank you so much. The contest is all about they're looking for yung biritero talaga, yung bumubuga ganon. So I'm actually so overwhelmed when I joined the competition because most of the contenders pang malakasan, tapos kanang how did sila mo birit, like grabe, like when I listen to them, ikaw pod mismo sa imong sarili magbaduha ka, uy, kaya mo ba to. So during the competition I had many doubts, but na-conquer na ko to siya na doubts, basta mag-pray lang ka, and then fortunately, I was able to be in the finals and won.
Pila ba mong mga taga Mindanao ang ni-appeal, and how do you feel that you get to represent naman the entire Mindanao?
Wow, grabe ka, maka-happy actually na mag-represent for Mindanao. Nag-start ang competition, daghan kaayo may 100 contenders man gud may nag-audition tanan, and I saw a lot of Mindanaoan contenders in there na nakipag laban jud sa ilang mikropono to stay sa competition. However, since the 5 rounds man of the competition, daghan jud nang nangatagak na mga Mindanaoan contenders. Fortunately, duha mi naabot sa grand finals sa Napulo, duha mi taga Mindanao, and pareho may mga palaban jud kaayo kay knowing na kami mga nagna sa grand finals, wala jud pud mi nagpapildi kami na mga taga Mindanao.
For you, Ken, gaano ba ka-significant yung music, and gaano din siya ka-importante naman hilabi na sa atong mga ginaatubang karon?
Para sa ako, isa siya sa isa ka factor kung nganong happy ang mga tao ang music. It's because especially karon na work from home, na alang mostly sa balay, daghan restriction ng mga lugar, music can lighten up our mood, it can remove our stress, and also kanang biska na lang ta sa balay, we feel like we are also in a stage, especially sa mga daghan platform karon sa social media na kanang nag-open up o kanang avenues for singers contest.
And of course, Ken, nakunsa ba ang sikreto sa imuhang kadaugan? Aduna ba kay mga tips naman para sa atong mga kapuso nga naga-aspire pod nga mahimong successful singer?
Okay, so for the aspirant singers like me, one of the tip is to accept rejections jud, na dawato nato na naadjud times na pag mag-audition ta dili ta madawat na mag-no sa atoa, but keep on trying lang jud kay normal man gud ang rejections, especially sa kanina industry. So it will help us grow and be motivated and be matured as well as a singer. So ako as a singer, ang ako lang ginahuna-huna permanently is to keep on dreaming even if it breaks your heart. So do not let discouragement and fears overcome your dreams.
Pwede ba may makapahapyaw naman og sample sa imuhang gikanta sa competition, Ken?
That Arizona sky burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul like California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts.
salamat, Ken. It's been an honor na madunggan ang imuhang gwapa kayo na tingog diri sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. And once again, congratulations.